Customer states, I can't go faster than 45 miles per hour. Damn it, man. Let's look at the turbo. Hello! Ooh, shiny stuff. I like shiny stuff. What about this? Well, at least it's nice and lubricated. Take this off and see what happens. Surprisingly, the front fins, they actually looked in pretty good shape. But I wonder how the exhaust is going to look. Well, that ain't too bad. It's coming along. Well, finally got this thing out. However, no es bueno. That is nicely lubricated. So this is part of the intake, the pressure side, and we're covered with oil. On the exhaust side, we're actually covered with oil, and then on the exhaust manifold, it doesn't look that bad. It's just a little bit of dirt that I got in here, but on the other side, it's a little moist. I'm not sure what to make of it yet, but turbo definitely needs to be replaced. Here you go, boys. Have some eye candy. Oh yeah, this thing's ready to create some boost. Well, somebody was feeling creative when they made this. Very nice, love it. So over here, we have to go ahead and pre-oil the fins and everything else. That way this thing doesn't run dry. But we're gonna do that once this is back on the truck. Man, you always have one stubborn bolt. Needs a friendly reminder that he needs to come out. Boy, I tell you what, there's always one. Damn it, man. Time for me to pull out the drill and show it who's boss. That's right, it's what I thought. And now we have to fix it so we can fit it with a new bolt. That's right, show it who's boss. Look at that, boys. Damn it, man. There's a couple steps that I didn't show you. One of them is that we had to grease this thing up and spin the fin so this thing doesn't run dry. Another thing that we're going to be checking is going to be the backlash, but that'll be a different day. Damn it, man. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to like and follow for more.